You guys know me, I've been navigating these markets far too long every single day, and I've been seeing that meme coins are slowly but surely picking back up. Now, guys, we did have a massive liquidity crisis just yesterday where the entirety of crypto took a massive tumble, but I need you guys to understand that we are just starting December, guys. Today is the first day of September, and something tells me that December is going to be a very good month. Now, listen, I know the price action may not seem like it right now, but guys, still continue to hold on, still continue to have patience because it is going to pay off. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day, and in today's video, we are focusing on a Matt Fury inspired play that has ran up to over 20 million. It was my first over 1000x call that I've made here on this channel, and I still believe it has a lot of potential. If you guys are new, subscribe, hit the bell notification so whenever I upload or I go live, you guys know about it right away, and like this video so YouTube pushes it out in the algorithm a little bit more, guys. We're trying to get to 18,100 subscribers, and then 19, and then 20k, guys, and hopefully when we get to 20k, I'll be doing a $2,000 giveaway. Let's get right into today's video. You can see the overall crypto market right now in a little bit of a shamble. I need to refresh this because this isn't the right price. You can see Bitcoin is down over like $5,000 in the last 24 hours, down 8%. Ethereum is down 10.32%. Kind of very interesting, guys, because the overall crypto market cap, you can see I did refresh my page there. I had it open. It was at 3.11 trillion, now down to 2.87 trillion. Fear and greed index is probably going to go back down to extreme fear levels yet again. And this goes to show you guys, never get too excited with these markets. You never really know what's going to happen. This was a huge liquidity withdrawal right now. And I'm going to kind of show you guys what could have potentially led to that. Let's see here. The exact reason why the market crashed. Wintermute dumped 9,300 Bitcoin. Coinbase dumped 8,300 Bitcoin. BitMEX dumped 7,993 Bitcoin. Binance dumped 5,046. Bitwise dumped 5,000. Bitfinex dumped 3,000. This was a coordinated dump. So a lot of money flowing out from Bitcoin, guys. And here, one thing I do want to emphasize, in 2019, the Fed announced QT would end on August 1st. The balance sheet of the Fed continued dropping in August despite QT having officially ended because the last round of Treasury maturities did not settle until mid-August. Just because QT ends December 1st does not mean the balance sheet immediately starts going up. It might take some time, maybe until early 2026, to notice that. And again, that aligns perfectly with what I have been saying recently, guys, is that in 2026, we should expect to see a reversal. And right now, if you guys aren't positioned in the right way, you may want to consider getting into some of these small market cap plays. Again, not too heavily because majority of crypto right now is in the hands of Bitcoin and Ethereum. We need to kind of wait and see what that does. However, you always hear buy the fear, sell the greed. And when it is fear times, you want to make sure you're buying the right plays. And a team that kind of has my backing, a team that I've seen do well, a team that has stood the test of time recently and has gone on to do well is none other than Jyai. It's based after a Matt Fury play, right? It's pink. It's unlike any other crypto that we've seen. It was a project that we first started covering, guys, at 20,000 market cap, and it's ran up to, I've watched it run up to over $20 million. A lot of people that I first talked about that I told to get into this project have literally gone on to make a killing. There was one guy in my Discord who just off of Jerry, he made over $20,000 in 1 month, which is why community is so important. So guys, if you do want to be a part of the community, if you want to be a part of something bigger than just crypto, where we're all after time, mental, location, and financial freedom, you want to join the Memecoin Master. It's my private Discord. Check it out, guys. It's free to check it out. It doesn't mean you have to join, but if that's something that you guys are interested in, click the link below and get yourself signed up. As of right now, Jerry's sitting at $1.73 million market cap. It is up still in the last week, but obviously had a massive dump, massive correction within the last 24 hours. Not looking too good for the entirety of crypto right now. We just kind of have to wait until the markets recover. But until then, guys, you may as well position yourself. Again, right? Do your own research, do your own due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you know where the price of this thing could potentially go one day, 1.73 million, getting back to 20 million, guys, you're looking at maybe even a 20x play, which again, that's not too bad. They also just recently revamped their website, which is super cool. Shell Power Money Shower. Welcome to Jerry. Jerry the Turtle is Matt Fury's artistic style character. It features an AI-powered content creation hub that produces community-driven video series, and art. With a commitment to zero tax, Jyai represents a fair and transparent ecosystem where devs participate exactly like community members. All major decisions affecting the token's future are made with direct community input and participation through our social channels. They're audited, contract renounced, liquidity locked forever, and their community feedback is implemented frequently. I remember when these guys first came out, one of the biggest implementations they did based on the community was locking their liquidity away, and they did that ASAP. So again, shout out to the team, shout out to the people working on this project, because they obviously know what they're doing, guys. And again, I wouldn't necessarily blame a project's team at this given time if they're doing the best they can, because this project has over 40 listings as well. It really just is about market sentiment at the moment. Bouncing off of the support area here, guys, the low of 1.5 million. The next stop would genuinely be at 4.46. That's the only place that I see some actual resistance. So from here back to that level, guys, about 147% gain. Again, all things considered, we need the overall crypto markets to pick up. Bitcoin did not crash. It was executed. The weapon was the Japanese government bonds. On December 1st, Japan's 10-year yield hit 1.87%, the highest since June 2008. The 2-year touched 1%, a level not seen before Lihem fell. This triggered the unwinding of the largest arbitrage trade in human history, the yen carry trade. Conservative estimates 3.4 trillion, realistic estimates around 20 trillion. For 30 years, the world borrowed free Japanese money to buy everything: tech stocks, treasuries, Bitcoin. That era ended last month. The transmission was mechanical. Yields rise, yen strengthens, leverage positions become unprofitable, selling begins. Selling triggers margin calls trigger liquidations, liquidations trigger selling. And that's what we've seen a lot of liquidations recently. October 10th, 19 billion in crypto positions liquidated in 24 hours, the largest single day wipeout in digital asset history. November 10th, 3.45 billion fled Bitcoin ETFs. BlackRock's fund lost 2.34 billion, its worst month since inception. And December 1st, another 646 million liquidated before launch. Bitcoin's correlation with the Nasdaq, 46%, with the S&P 500 42%. The correlated hedge is now a leverage expression of global liquidity conditions. Yet the data contains a paradox. While prices collapse, whales accumulate 375,000 Bitcoin, miners cut selling from 23 to 3,600. Someone is buying what institutions are selling. The pivot point, December 18th, the Bank of Japan policy decision. If they hike and signal more, Bitcoin tests 75K. If they pause, a short squeeze could reclaim 100K within days. This is not about crypto anymore. It's about the cost of capital in a world where that forgot money has a price. Look, guys, a lot going on right now. Especially fundamentally. And if you guys think that this isn't a coordinated attack, I really don't know what to tell you. The big players do not want your average retail investor to make money. Now, when it comes to Jyai, you obviously want to be following. This was just me a couple minutes ago. I'm not going to lie. Success waits for no one, not even bathroom time. Feeling these JY prices, you should be. While some are panicking, we know what time it is. The current market presents incredible opportunities to get in on Jyai at prices we might never see. This isn't just about a meme, it's about a vision. Netflix in 26, major exchange listings, and a community that won't quit. We're laying the groundwork for something massive. Now is the time to secure your future. Don't miss these amazing deals. I mean, hey, I couldn't agree more, guys. There are a bunch of deals, a bunch of steals that are out there on the market. Your decision right now is, are you going to take advantage or are you already over leveraged? Obviously, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so please DYOR, do your own research, your own due diligence before you buy into anything. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, family. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care and peace out, y'all.